Want to make real hazelnut gelato at home? I've got you covered. Alongside pistachio, Nocciola or hazelnut is a true benchmark of quality in any gelateria and an essential flavor to keep in your lineup. It is all about using a great base and the highest quality hazelnut paste you can find. If you're worried about the cost of hazelnut paste, know that a little goes a long way and it makes a big difference. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this classic Italian flavor step by step. Be sure to watch until the end for expert tips on achieving the perfect texture, flavor, and consistency. This recipe is easy to follow but delivers gelato shop results and has been adapted from my hazelnut gelato recipe in my book, The Art of Making Gelato. You'll find the ingredient list, extra tips in the blog post, and the exact hazelnut paste I use available online, linked below in the description. Let's get started. I like my hazelnut gelato smooth, but add chopped hazelnuts before churning if you'd like a little texture crunch. You can also add them to the finished gelato. Churn for 30 to 35 minutes. Because of the high solids from the hazelnut paste, be careful not to over-churn. Creamy, luxurious, and irresistible, this is the ultimate Nocciola gelato recipe, sure to become a family favorite. A few key tips as you make it. I'm using locust bean gum and dextrose here to bring the texture up to true gelato shop standards. If you'd prefer to work with tapioca or cornstarch, easy to find at most supermarkets, check out our book or other videos for that version of the recipe. The tapioca starch amounts are consistent with our other formulas. Like all gelato, this is best enjoyed fresh. If it firms up too much in the freezer, simply let it soften before serving. For more guidance, don't miss our video on serving gelato at the perfect temperature, a must-watch for at-home gelato enthusiasts. Any high-quality hazelnut paste will work, whether it's the one we've linked or another brand you source online. The most important part is that you love the flavor. Be sure to stir it well before adding. It's the balance of paste and oil that gives your gelato its full, rich hazelnut character. Sharing how simple it can be to achieve gelato shop quality at home is our passion, and we're thrilled to share this recipe with you. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!